Welcome to this Power BI training session. Today we're exploring the Input Slicer, a powerful tool for report filtering. As of February 2026, the Input Slicer is generally available, enabling faster, more precise data interaction. Instead of scrolling through endless lists, your users can now type or paste values directly into your reports. The interface is clean and intuitive. Users simply enter identifiers like order IDs or customer names. When a user types a value and presses enter, it creates a pill, allowing for multiple search terms simultaneously. As shown here, typing a single character can immediately refine the data, like filtering for specific products. One of the most versatile features is the choice of filter operators, providing granular control over results. Users can choose from contains all, starts with any, or even exact matches with the is any operator. Report creators set the default, but consumers have the flexibility to adjust the operator as needed. Configuration is simple. In the visual format pane, you can toggle options like accept multiple values. Turning this on allows users to paste a list of identifiers, which is a massive time saver for sales teams. Imagine a sales manager needing to check 10 specific accounts. They can just paste the list and see results instantly. Or a support agent searching for a customer name using starts with to find matches among thousands of entries. Beyond filtering, the Input Slicer supports translytical tasks, like collecting approval notes or comments. You can get started quickly by creating a simple DAX table to test these interactive filtering scenarios. This feature is fully supported across both Power BI Desktop and the Power BI Cloud service. For compliance, it's vital to ensure that user inputs are captured accurately for audit trails and task flows. For deeper dives, the full documentation is available on Microsoft Learn. Search for Input Slicer. To summarize, direct entry, multi-search capabilities, and support for free-form task flows. Thank you for joining this training. Start empowering your users with the Input Slicer today.